Problem 5, find the equation of the line in slope-intercept form that goes through the point -3, 1 and has a slope of -5. We will always use, we always use the point-slope formula. We use it because the only thing you ever have to find is the slope. The y sub 1 and x sub 1 are given to you, and y and x are always just y and x. So here's your x sub 1, here's your y sub 1. And it actually tells me the slope. So all I got to do is fill in y minus my y sub 1 is a 1. My slope is -5. My x sub 1 is a -3. Well, minus -3 does change to plus. So 2 more steps. I'm going to distribute through, and then I'll move that -1 over, the -1. Distributing through, we get -5x minus 15. I now add my 1 to both sides. I get y equals -5x minus 14. Number 6, okay? Y minus y sub 1. If they ask me for an equation, this is the only thing I'm ever going to. Right here, point slope formula. So we have a slope. Slope's a half. The x sub 1 is a -4. And the y sub 1 is a +4. Y minus 4 equals a half x. That's a plus. Half times 4 is 2. I now add my 4, y is equal to a half x plus 6. Straightforward every time. Now, here, we're going to use the formula. Y minus y sub 1, slope, x minus x sub 1. We have to work for the slope. And again, that's the only thing you ever have to work for. So what's our slope? Well, we know it's the change in our y's over the change in our x's. I'm going to go 10 minus the 7. Since I start with a 10, the x value, I must start with a 3. 3 minus 2, I get 3 over 1. Slope's 3. So I simply fill the slope in with the number 3. Now, you might be saying, hey, what's my x sub 1 and my y sub 1? You get to choose. You can either use this as your x sub 1 and y sub 1, or 3 and 10. I'm going to use 2, 7. Numbers are smaller. I like smaller numbers. So the y sub 1 is a 7. The x sub 1 is a 2. If you'd use 3 and 10, you'll get the same answer. It doesn't matter. 3x minus 6, add your 7, add your 7. Final equation in slope-intercept form is 3x plus 1.